right, good morning from Santa Rosa, New Mexico, where it is currently 46 degrees. That's awesome. Freezing. So, nothing I can do about that except get out in it. So it looks like I'm 1,100 miles from Huntsville, which is where I'm going to meet up with everybody, and then we're headed to Panama City after that. So I'm going to see how far I can get today. I should be able to get into Arkansas somewhere. Hopefully as far into Arkansas as I can get before it gets dark, and then I'll go on into Huntsville the next day, which should be early afternoon, hopefully. So yeah. All right, here we go. Back on 40 East. I had to pull over and put my leather pants on. It is a lot colder than I thought it was going to be. And so I got about 25 miles down the road and thought, I'm freezing. So now I got all my leathers on. So hopefully that will keep me warm enough till it warms up. It's supposed to get up in the 70s. So it's not going to be cold all day, but it is definitely chilly right now. My knees were freezing, so now I'm good. Oh yeah, this is much better. I should be able to make it through until it warms up. Like I said, it's supposed to get into the 70s. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and right now it is 47, which when you're moving down the road, it's a little chillier than that, but not terrible. So, all right, back at it. Let's go to, let's see, the next place we're going to be is Tucumcari, and then on into Amarillo, or the next bigger cities that we should be coming into. All right, here we go. So I've been looking for a spot all day to eat a sandwich and some chips, and I thought I'd be able to find a cool spot to eat, but I couldn't. So I'm about to go through Oklahoma City, so I decided to stop and eat. So my cool spot is the Flying J truck stop, which isn't very cool. However, I got to eat next to this that I didn't see until just a second ago. That's somebody's piss jug. Nice. Anyway, I'm back on the road, eastbound. Hopefully I'll be somewhere in Arkansas the next time I talk to you. Well, I made it to Van Buren, Arkansas. Not very far into Arkansas. But I did 620 miles today, which takes up most of your day. And nothing really exciting happened. Trying to make it all the way to Huntsville in 2 days, or 2.5 days really. You can't really stop for very long and look at stuff. So I was hoping, some stuff would happen, or, we'd get to see something, and not too much happened. So kind of a boring ride, but tomorrow I'm headed back out. I'm going to go to Huntsville. I should make it in by the early afternoon, and then the next day we're going to Panama City Beach, which there'll be a lot more to look at and video and take pictures of and have a good time. So just keep watching, and hopefully it gets a lot more exciting than it did today. Just pretty much interstate riding the whole day, and that was about it. So I'll pick this back up tomorrow morning. See you guys then.